There you go, Case. Okay. Now, yeah, get it in the middle. In the middle. Yeah, and in the middle. Your trowel in the middle. In the middle, yeah. You can get that bottom. Okay. Just do the wall. Do the wall. Okay, Case. Go do the wall. Okay, keep it tight. Keep it tight when you're coming out from the middle. Okay? Okay, good. Good. Keep it, yeah, keep it up, okay? Press a little harder now. You can press harder on that wall to keep that piece up for you to torch the next time. Okay, now, when you're bringing cakes, that's okay, pull that back a bit. Now torch right away. You gotta do it quick, okay? Can't let it sit there or it's gonna come down. There you go. Okay, make sure you get that in. Remember you gotta go full. Everything adhered, everything torched. Good, kids. Okay, go for it. Okay, middle. Okay, yes. Okay, this here, kids. Always check this. Okay, always check your strut. There you go. Okay, yeah, good. Get it down, that's it. Okay, check this now, kids. Good. Okay, yeah, okay. It's all stuck down at that back corner, kids. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, there you go. Careful, only a bit of heat here. This is pretty thin. Okay. Any fish marks? Yeah, nice. Good. Excellent. Now your bottom. Yeah, now, Case, put your torch down and pull that up. Pull that piece up because it's kind of stuck, but it's not. Okay, see? Always leave that one to the last. You got to remember to put your torch down. Sometimes you can hold your torch, but some other times you need to pull it up. Okay, that's it. Good. And right to the end. That is perfect. Okay, now you grab your trowel, put it in the middle. Yeah, in the middle. There you go. Start heating from down there. Down there first. Yeah. Do your swipes. Okay, there you go. I'll show you another way you can help with that last piece there. You can even bend it a bit so it stays square. Okay. Excellent. Now gain another swipe. Get all the air out. No air. No pockets. Right on. Good. Good piece. Video's over.